What's up, Drap Productions? Hold up. Hey, Drap Productions 27. I'm Drew. Some people call me the leader. I like that. Keep calling me that. Anyways, when you find sand dollars, this is a weird thing. They look like weed. They do. They do. I'm gonna eat one. Should I? Should I? Okay, I'm gonna eat one. Oh, oh, oh. Just the taste of it makes me throw up. I'm never doing weed. Never. Anyways, today, guys, I'm going to be doing a video on Ride Makers. Now, if you don't know what Ride Makers is, it's build your own RC car. And this place is really cool because you can pick everything that you want on the car and you get to build it. And it's freaking awesome. And then you get to choose these parts. I got a Corvette. You can choose a dumpster truck. Now, I didn't choose that because I want a lowrider. Oh yeah, I didn't turn it on. Hold up. Dump truck noises. Okay. Anyways, you can get it online or go in the store, get the parts and everything. Plus, you get this like screw thing that you unscrew. And guys, this thing goes pretty fast. I mean, it's not like 1,000 miles per hour. It goes bigger speeds than like ones than 50. This one was about 200 or 170. I think it was 180 or something. But anyways, I got like an expensive one, but you can get cheaper ones for $50. It all depends what you choose. I chose the most expensive stuff. And then it decides on the speed you want it to go. I'm not telling you what speed I chose. Let's just say it's fast. But anyways, guys, it's a remote controller, goes up and down. Now, you could get these at Disneyland in California, downtown Disney, but you can get them other places. I'm in Virginia, that's where I live, and I was just visiting my thing, and I saw this beauty, just sitting right there. But anyways, you can actually like put your phone in there, and then you don't have to get up if you're lazy. You can bring food or stuff to you. It's really cool. But next time I'm gonna get the shield for that. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that was my video today, and I'm gonna try to bite down it. Alright, guys, 3, 2, 1. Not that bad. But anyways, I'm going to send a link in the description if you want to make your own thing on the website. So, of course, goodbye. Remember, stay the Drew. By the way, I choose everything like Drat Productions 27, and Jack chooses his Jack FCB. Well, guess what, Jack? I named everything different except our YouTube channel. It's thedrew.fcb.djc. And you want to know what the C is for? Carter. And you want to know what the J is for? I don't know what the J is for. Oh yeah, it's Jack. Goodbye, Drax. And remember, stay classy, San Diego. Have you ever saw that movie? That was Anchorman. He said, "Why don't you go back to your home on Whore Island?" Yeah. So that was our video today. And bye, Drax, and stay classy, Draxy.